2, 3, funky.
It is so very hot, so very hot. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Juliet. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So how have you guys been? I hope you've been okay. Life has been dealing me with blow after blow, but you know, I also deal with it the same way. So I decided to do something over here today. If you don't know what this place is, this is where I put my beauty products, skincare, healthcare, everything that makes me a woman is here. So I like the design. I got this design from an Instagram page and I just copied it. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just push this buttons. So let me show you from a closer range. So this is how it looks from up there to down here. So it's just like a wood supported by that string over there. I don't know if, yeah, so they also tied knots over here, and there's also one on this other side. You can see it, yeah, that one. So I got this idea from an Instagram page. I don't remember the name of the page, and they were selling it at around 2,000. So I took the idea to my Fundi and he made this for me at 1,000 shillings. And yeah, so this is what we currently have here. So what idea do I have for it? Let me explain. What I wanted over here is like a mirror to help me get ready. Okay, I have the other mirror over there, but I feel like rotating from here to there doesn't really make sense. So I want something that I can get ready while here, and it can also carry my products. So basically I want this to be turned into a tiny cabinet, but with a mirror on the front. The person who is coming to install that for me suggested that we install a push mirror, the one that when you press it pops out. So I don't know what it's called, but I'm sure it has a name. I've tried looking for the name, I've not gotten the name, but that is the idea that we want to incorporate over here. I want to create a minimalistic house setup where my house has so much things, but you can only see a few things. You get, like, I don't want someone coming into my house and the first thing they see is my products. I want them to be wondering, like, what is behind that mirror? So yeah, I'm so excited. I can't stop dancing. So he's coming to install the things. I've already sent him money. Also tell you how much everything cost me, so that you tell me if it's worth it. I really hope it will turn out exactly how I am picturing it. So the mirror will not be up to this part. It will only be from this part to here. Yeah, so it's not such a huge mirror. This is 16 squares of mirror. So that is what he told me. Yeah, so we wait, but in the meantime I just want to get everything out, and then we wait for him to come and install it. So yeah guys, let's quickly do that and then we rest.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Yeah, that is how it looks like. The space is still the same, though he had to like push it inside, so it's not where it used to be. Yeah, I hope everything will just fit as usual. Yeah, this space remained the same to the rope up there. So this is just a plain mirror. Then when you push inside there like that. So I'm going to clean all of this. Let me just quickly do that, and then we on the second shelf it's a bit smaller, so but most of the things still fit, but it's smaller. Then the upper part remained the same to the lower part, but I've just removed a few things because now I can't lock when some things are near the door. So I'm quite impressed with it. I expected it to fit the frame very well, but it didn't, but it can still work. So the whole process costed me 1400, so 950 was for the items, where he bought the push at 500 and the mirror at 400. Yeah, it is a 16 square mirror. I'm going to attach his number below. And so the rest of the money, which was 500, was used to cater for his labor. So I think that was quite affordable, and I am impressed with it. So this is what you now have here. So I can just come from the bathroom and come here, do my things, then go maybe dress up over there using the other mirror. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Many more house updates to come, and I can't wait for you to see. So yeah, without anything else to add, so I'll see you soon in the next one. Take care of yourself. Bye.